Hi there everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a combined Dollar Tree haul, a combination of a couple of hauls I did. I went to Dollar Tree about a couple of weeks ago, and then I'm combining it with the one that I just did most recently. I picked up the signs that everyone is hauling these days, and this is the first one that I got. I think they only have them in two designs at our store. Although I think I've seen a hauler haul one with a different saying. I'm not quite sure if the saying was hello or love. But anyway, got one of this. And then I also got this hooray sign. And I really like not just the saying but also the look, because this is the color that you will see predominantly in our home. Four of this, this crackled finish votive candle holders. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you will see me do some DIYs with these items here. And I also picked up 2 of this. I actually showed one already on one of my DIYs for Mother's Day, and I am going to be linking it up here. So yeah, I love this. I'm glad that the Dollar Tree now sells this. Last year they have the mason jar, and it's the taller kind and didn't have the homemade logo here, and they didn't have the ridges. Okay, I also got this in the floral section. So I got 2 small ones and 1 big one. So the small ones come in a pack of 6. 2 of those, and then the big one is in a pack of 4. Okay, so it also comes in another color. I think it comes in a brown color, and if I'm not mistaken, a dark chocolate brown as well. So the other brown is darker than the other. So yeah, I just took these 3 items here for my next DIY project. Also in the floral section, I got this floral gel beads. Got this clipboard. I like this design. They do sell different designs at the Dollar Tree. I like using clipboards in organizing our paperwork. I got this, and this was in the party section because they're taking out all the decorations for summer parties. So party in your backyard. So this is the fishing net decor. This, never seen this before, but they also come in another color. I think the other one is yellow. If you've been following me here on my channel, you know that I make my own traveler's notebook insert. I just want to see if it does kind of mimic a traveler's notebook, and it seems that it does. It even has this elastic here that you can use to secure. Elastic can secure the notebook. The pages may not be the best pages. They're very thin, but it's good enough to write down notes, probably not for sketching or using any ink that will bleed through. I think with regular pencil or a ballpoint pen, it will show shadows or ghosting, but just for fun DIY it would work. And then I think the threads you're going to be inserting through these holes here, so there's some kind of projects that you can do with it. This one is the clipboard and notepad. It has a mini clipboard here and the notepad. Like that a lot. And then this one here has a pen. It doesn't have a clipboard, but it is a notepad and pen. Really like the color, and of course I love birds. It's why I got this. I got this ready set stamp, so the cling or clear stamp. So this wooden stamp, butterfly. I think they also have a few more designs there, maybe a couple more, but I chose this one. Some markers here, the dry erase markers. A utility knife or box cutter. And I got this Westcott titanium bond scissors. I got these retractable pens. I heard that this is pretty good, so I got a set of this. Also got this one, and You know, the chairs, you know, when they're not being lifted, it's driving me nuts. I don't want them scratching even our tile in our kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna be protecting the legs. Okay, so let's get started with the items that I purchased. First, the items that I'll be using on my future DIYs. At the time of this haul or filming, I might have already completed some of them. So if I have done that, I will be inserting a YouTube card on one of the corners here. I think it's on the upper. I will be inserting the YouTube card on the upper right-hand corner of this video frame. So let's get started with my favorite. If anyone asks me, okay, if anyone asks me what my top favorite item for project when it comes to Dollar Tree, especially when it comes to organization projects, hands down, my favorite is this one. Shower caddy. It's so versatile, and I've done quite a few projects on some of my DIYs that I've used the shower caddy, and I feel free to go to my playlist and I'll be linking down below what those are. So I bought 4 of them, not just one. I bought 4 because I have been using them a lot. I've been trying to organize not just my craft room but also our kitchen and bathroom. So purchased this for my upcoming DIY, a set of cooling racks, and this one it comes with 2 in a pack, and this is the cookie cooling rack. Okay, I've used this also on another DIY, and I'm going to be inserting it also up here. Paper towel holder. It's a little dusty, but not all stores that are nearby that I frequent have this, so I'm glad that this bigger store still has a lot of this. So I'm hoping that Dollar Tree wouldn't remove this from their stock, okay, because I use this in the kitchen, and I'm planning on revamping our laundry room / utility room, and I have already done one project there where I place it on our small refrigerator. I have an organization there, linking it up here again. So the things that I'm going to be purchasing to accomplish a lot of my DIYs, I will be also filming this, and yeah, so watch out for that. Other items that I've seen are this. I'll be doing a little bit of carpentry. So this is the rubber mallet, and I'm surprised that they only sell this for $1, and this is good quality. And I haven't tried the hacksaw, but I'm glad that they also sell it. We do have a bigger hacksaw. My husband also has that saw that we have in our garage, but I figured I'll try this as well and maybe keep this in my craft room, because this is where magic happens when I do all my DIYs. Zip ties, and I'm glad that the Dollar Tree sells them, and they sell them for 60 pieces for $1, and they have the one that's longer, the longer zip tie. The other ones are just 30 pieces for $1, which is still a great deal. Just tip for you there, if you're following my DIYs, just buy the ones that says 60 in a pack instead of 30 in a pack. That'll save you a bundle. Okay, so I have been searching for this and I almost given up. I didn't want to order them online because I think in order to purchase them online I would need to buy 24 pieces of them, because they come in a unit. The minimum is, if you purchase 1 unit, it includes 24 of this. So I only purchased 2 here as well. Can you believe this is just $1? I just purchased from Home Goods this size, only that it has like a copper finish instead of this aluminum or stainless or silver one. But it was like, I thought it was a great deal already for $2.99, or was it $3.99? $2.99, but it's a little smaller than this. But for $1, wow, nothing beats $1, right? So yeah, and I'm gonna be using this in our coffee or hot drink station, probably to put some marshmallows. And because summer is upon us, my husband insists that when we're using something there, especially if we're putting something sweets, make sure that it seals tight, because our little critter friends, ants, you know, may stop by, and he doesn't want that. Okay, so This is what some of the YouTubers call the Dollar Tree unicorn, the white bins or baskets. And this is the bigger one that stacks up. I've been hauling this for the past couple of years now, and what I like about this one is they're stackable. As long as you put them together and you kind of switch it, like one is horizontal, one is vertical, and then you can stack them up. I like this color a lot, so I purchased 2 of these gloves. I don't know, they don't come in pairs. Even in bigger stores like Home Goods or Ross, they always buy them with, you know, the accompanying square pot holder. But I figured when I looked inside, it's the same material anyway, so I can use this way. You know, I'm pretty sure it'll work, right? Doesn't mean that it's not quilted, it's not heat resistant. But I'm thinking maybe I can also reinforce this so that when I am baking, you know, I can prevent burns more. So I'm probably gonna put something in the lining, and if that works out, I'll be sharing that idea with you. I haven't seen this from Dollar Tree before, and because this is my favorite color, I'm just so happy that they came out. So this is just $1 a piece. This is a, you know, the cooking utensils. So I just saw them in this style. So let me know in the comment down below if there's a 4th one, because I know that sometimes this spoon comes with the slatted, with, you know, at least the other styles or from others that I purchased from other stores. But I don't know if this particular one has it, because like this one has the holes and this one is solid, and I'm thinking maybe this one comes with, you know, the holes as well. So again, but I looked in that store and there's none, so maybe they don't, maybe they only come in these 3. And this is by Cooking Concepts as well. So yeah, love this. Got this one because, you know, said I like using the plastic ones that don't scratch, but these are great for serving as well when we're serving rice or the food that we cook. We can use this as serving spoons, and I'm glad that they come in 4 in a pack, and they're in different sizes as well. Whenever I see the feather style stickers, whether they're the smaller ones or the bigger ones, I buy them because this is kind of like very boho chic for me. And these are the peel and stick stickers for your walls, and I like that they're removable, but they also are front and back. See how many items here. So the bigger ones, I'm thinking I've been using them for decorating my planners. And everyone, thanks for joining me here on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe, and also please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, help this community grow, and also let me know your thoughts. Comment down below, like chatting with you. I do try to respond to all my subscribers as much as possible. Maybe a little late, but I love interacting with you guys. That's the only way I can interact with you, is through the comments section. And if you want to message me, I have my email address, my IG account, and also my Facebook. If you can also follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook, you can message me there. I've been receiving some messages both in my Facebook and IG. Thank you so much to those who have reached out to me just to thank me for what I do. I do appreciate it. Anyway, hope you have a great day, everybody. Thanks a lot. God bless. Bye-bye. I'll talk to you again on my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.